भारत देश के लिए जिसने विलास को ठुकराया, त्याग कर विदेशी धागे खुद से ही खादी बनाया, पहनकर काट की चप्पल सत्याग्रह का राग सुनाया, असहयोग आंदोलन अपनाकर विदेशी माल को जलाया, वही इंसान पूरे विश्व में महात्मा कहलाया। A glorious morning to each and everyone. Myself Dhwani from class 10B. First of all, I would like to say a special thanks to dear Pramod sir for giving me this opportunity to represent my views on the idea of Satyagraha. So without wasting the time, let's get started. According to Gandhiji, the idea of Satyagraha emphasized the power of truth and the need to search for the truth. To him, it's a novel method of mass agitation which he called Satyagraha. By Gandhiji thoughts that Satyagraha, without being aggressive, a Satyagraha could win the battle through non-violence, and this could be done by appealing to the conscience of the oppressor. And by Gandhiji believed that the dharma of non-violence is the non-cooperation, stages of the non-cooperation. Now here are the three pillars of Satyagraha. So the first one is truth. So basically, what is truth? However, the word Satya, truth, has the connotation for Mahatma, and the truth has to be observed not only in one speech but also in thought and action. And the Mahatma's idea of Satyagraha, where Satya means truth and Agra translated to insistence and implies following the path of truth. The truth is not only the relative truth of our conception but also the absolute truth, the eternal principle, that is God. And the second one is non-violence. In India, the freedom struggle that is spearheaded by Mahatma Gandhi opposed colonialism and its human rights and violation through the unique concept of ahimsa or non-cooperation, and this was implemented through Satyagraha and through holding on to the truth through the non-violence. And Satyagraha is the personal practice of not causing harm to any other people under any condition, and it may come from the belief that not causing harm to people, animal and any environment, it is unnecessary to cause harm to our environment. And the third one is self-suffering, and in self-suffering, Gandhiji wrote on August 11, 1920 that Satyagraha is self-suffering and not inflicting violence on others, and it is essential for a Satyagrahi to be suffer the problems and violence of others, not inflicting the hinsa. Aim of Satyagraha. The aim or purpose of Satyagraha was to act with love and peace and to display sincerity, and the Satyagraha will severely stand against the unjust and never surrender. And aim of individual Satyagraha to express the people's feeling that they were not interested in the wars, and Now I am talking about the three main Satyagrahas. The first one is Champaran Satyagraha. In Champaran Satyagraha was the first Satyagraha led by Gandhiji in India and is considered as historically the important revolt in the Indian history. And in Champaran Satyagraha, it was a farmers uprising that took place in Champaran district in Bihar in India in the British colonial period. And the next one is Ahmedabad meal strike. Mahatma Gandhi launched this Ahmedabad meal strike in support of meal workers in lead to the strike in against to the meal owners that were not paying them wages. And the third one is Kheda Satyagraha. In Kheda Satyagraha, Mahatma Gandhi launched the Kheda Satyagraha in support of peasants who were not able to pay the taxes because of their crops failure. And now the movements that conduct with the help of idea of Satyagraha, just like non-cooperation movement, civil disobedience movement, Khilafat movement, Quit India movement, and Salt March and Rowlatt Satyagraha. तो एट फाइनली आई वुड लाइक टू से महात्मा गांधी एक महान व्यक्ति थे, हमें भी उनकी लाइफ से कुछ सीखना चाहिए। और अहिंसा बहुत बड़ा कर्तव्य है, अगर हम इसे पूरी तरीके से नहीं निभा सकते तो हमें इसके भावनाओं को समझना चाहिए और हिंसा से जितना हो सके उतना दूर रहकर मानवता की राह पर चलना चाहिए। और आपको ये वो बदलाव बनना पड़ेगा जो आप दुनिया में देखना चाहते हैं। यू हैव टू बी द चेंज विच यू वांट टू सी इन द वर्ल्ड। थैंक यू।